Hello everyone, my name is Mehmet, but generally my friends call me Yaqup. But that's not the topic for today. I am currently living in Istanbul, Turkey. I am a PhD student at Koç University in the Department of International Relations. I came to Turkey in 2013 to pursue my undergraduate degree with the Turkish Scholarship Project. My uncle, who is Yaqup, disappeared in July 2017. He was just going for a tea with the cops, but we never heard from him again. In January 2018, my grandmother, whom I loved the most, passed away. My father informed me about her death, but he did not allow me to talk to my grandfather. I was very shocked, heartbroken, and disappointed. Later, in June 2018, my father asked for my legal documents in Turkey, including my graduation certificate. But just few days later, he disappeared. It was exactly 7th June 2018. Ever since, I did not hear from him. He was detained by the Chinese government without giving any reason. I could not hear his voice. I do not know whether he is alive or not. I do not know whether he is in the camps, so-called re-education, or in other words, concentration camps, or he is in a prison. I demand Chinese government to release my father immediately. Grant him the freedom to talk to me, the freedom to travel, and the freedom to live. Thank you very much for watching my video, and please spread my words and raise awareness. Thank you very much.